Tax-deferred growth can be a game changer when planning for retirement, especially for American retirees who are looking for ways to grow their wealth without taking a hit from taxes. In this video, we'll dive into how you can use tax-deferred growth to your advantage and why it's one of the most powerful tools for your financial future. And stick around, because I'll also show you how this strategy can be even more effective when combined with a gold IRA. You'll want to hear about this. But first, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description below for a free gold IRA guide. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs to protect their wealth, and you'll want to learn why. Now let's get into how you can leverage tax-deferred growth in your retirement planning. So, what is tax-deferred growth? Simply put, it's the ability to grow your investments without paying taxes on the gains each year. Instead, you only pay taxes when you withdraw the money, which typically happens when you retire. This means more of your money is working for you now, compounding over time, which can lead to significant growth in the long term. One of the most common places to take advantage of tax-deferred growth is in traditional IRAs and 401k accounts. These accounts allow you to contribute money pre-tax, which lowers your taxable income for the year. This immediate tax break is a huge benefit, and the tax-deferred growth means your savings can grow without being impacted by annual taxes, allowing you to build wealth faster. But here's where it gets interesting. Tax-deferred growth is great, but it's even more effective when you combine it with a gold IRA. Unlike traditional assets that are tied to the stock market, a gold IRA allows you to diversify your portfolio by including precious metals. Gold, in particular, is seen as a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty, which can be incredibly valuable for retirees who want to protect their wealth over the long term. While other tax-deferred accounts are limited to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a gold IRA lets you tap into the power of physical gold, which has historically outperformed inflation and provided stability. Let's go back to tax-deferred growth for a moment. One of the reasons it works so well is that it allows your investments to grow without the constant drain of taxes, and you get to decide when to take that tax hit. For retirees, this can be especially beneficial because it means they can have more control over their income in retirement and avoid paying higher taxes in their working years. But remember, if you're nearing retirement, you'll want to be strategic about your withdrawals to ensure you're not bumping yourself into a higher tax bracket. Also, consider that when you withdraw from your tax-deferred account, you will pay ordinary income tax on the amount you take out. That's why some people find that using tax-deferred growth in conjunction with a gold